Okay, guys. Video about jump roping. No talking after 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, go.
What I've been doing all of this month is taking part in the scrap.
I can only talk when I'm finished doing like at least 10 or no 5. So that's about like 8 or something. Let's get back to work. That was 11. You all need to work. Work, work, work. Get back to work. Work, work, work. Get back to work. Okay, at 6 minutes, I'll pause the video, okay? Another 11. But I was already tired because I've been doing this for 3 videos. And I had to retry every single time. And every single time I retried, it just turned off. I had to start all over again. So that's why I'm tired already. So I am that. Once you've learned jump rope, single bounce, haha. If you're somebody that's in Bermuda and who goes to the same school as me, my name is Judah, Richard Florida, you might want to learn this, except if you're Therese or one of the people in Down to Be Fit. But it's mostly everybody. So let's go. Again. Need a pot of water. We already. Like you. Last double jump of the video. I'm almost finished the video. Just 5 more seconds.